Everyone, we're back with the Bissell EV675 robot vacuum. I have the remote here. We have this large cat mess right here. Of course, the cat's eating some, but we have this large mess of food here that I took out of the tray and poured on the floor. So let's see how well this robot can do. In one pass, it got everything. You see how it kind of just feeds the mouth on the robot. It even gets the extra large debris pretty well. Alright, so I moved the food out. Let's see if it can tackle these two crunchy big pieces of dirt. This one it really just doesn't want to get. Let's drive its head on. Back up. And it got that piece of dirt. So that's pretty impressive that this robot was able to clean all of that mess that I poured all over the floor. I'm gonna move these chairs out since I'm in the middle of letting the robot clean right now anyway. There's a little bit of dirt right here that we can clean off. Got that piece of popcorn. Eve. So I'm gonna put it back on auto, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.